The sun burned low over the Peloponnese as the Roman legions tightened their grip on Corinth. The Achaean League, a proud alliance of Greek city-states, had defied Rome once too often. Now, the wrath of the Republic would be unleashed. General Critolaus, leader of the Achaeans, stood atop the city walls, watching the dust rise from the approaching Roman forces. His heart pounded, not with fear, but with defiance. "We will not bow to Rome," he declared to his men. The soldiers cheered, but their voices carried a tremor of doubt. The Romans had never been defeated in open battle. Across the field, the Roman consul Lucius Mummus surveyed the defenses of Corinth. He was a hardened veteran, a man who had crushed rebellions from Hispania to Macedonia. "These Greeks still believe they can resist," he muttered to his lieutenants. "Break them, and all of Greece will remember the price of defiance." The battle began at dawn. The Achaean phalanxes advanced, their spears gleaming in the morning light. For a moment, it seemed they might hold. But the Roman legions, disciplined and relentless, pushed forward. The clash of steel echoed across the plains as the Greeks fought desperately. Yet, man for man, they were no match for Rome's war machine. As the lines crumbled, Critolaus rallied his remaining troops. "Stand fast! For freedom!" he roared, leading a final charge. A Roman pilum struck his shield, then another found his thigh. He fell, blood staining the earth beneath him. His men, seeing their leader struck down, broke and fled. The sack of Corinth was merciless. Mummus gave the order. The city would burn as an example. Temples were looted, homes set ablaze, and thousands were enslaved. The once glorious Corinth, jewel of the Achaean League, was reduced to smoldering ruins. In the aftermath, Greece lay broken. The Achaean League was dissolved, its cities now under Rome's iron grip. Mummus returned to Rome in triumph, his name etched among the conquerors. But as the fires died, an old Greek scholar whispered to his students, "Freedom is not easily extinguished." Remember this day, and though the Achaean War was lost, the spirit of resistance lived on, waiting, silently, for another dawn.